So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening guys. Andito lang tayo sa ating mini vlog. So ngayon magluto tayo ng stir-fried bitter gourd or ampalaya with tofu and eggs. So yan guys, napakasimple, napakasarap na luto. So yan guys, yan yung ating tofu na slice na natin. Yan, ipa-fry natin para maluto. Yan na, binaliktad na, hiniwa na natin guys. Yan yung ating mga condiments with itlog, salt, pepper. So yan guys, iluluto na natin yung ating condiments na onions and garlic. So yan guys, mekos-mekos lang natin. Lagyan natin ng spices, lagyan natin ng kamatis. So yan pala guys, yung ating pampasarap ng ating luto. So yan guys, ilagay na natin yung ating ampalaya. I-toast na natin, mix. Then lagyan natin ng 3 itlog. So ito pala guys, yung magpapasarap ng ating stir-fried bitter gourd with tofu and eggs. So yan guys, maya-maya maluluto na yan. Ito yung napaka-simple, napaka-basic. So breakfast, lunch, dinner guys, pwede to guys. So yan, nilagay ko na yung tofu, mix natin, lagyan natin ng ating mga spices, aromatics. So yan guys, maya maya maluluto na yan. So yan guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Naway na entertain ko kayo at maraming salamat, and more videos to come. So please follow, subscribe, and share my video. So yan guys, napakasarap, simple na simple pero napaka healthy guys. No pork, no meat, all vegetables and tofu. So yun guys, maraming salamat. Bye bye, love you all.